Pack, boom, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Whiteland, local and long-distance movers near me. When relocating over a distance of 50 miles or more, it's a long-distance relocation. We can move your stuff across town, across the state, or across the country. We have a good working relationship with the agencies in charge of the relocation, both federal and local. We have insurance arrangements in place to protect our customers' interests. During and after your belongings are relocated, the insurance covers risks. Our team consists of the most conscientious and dependable drivers and movers who will get your things to your final destination in one piece. You don't have to worry about us taking advantage of you because of our inexpensive prices. A local relocation is less expensive than a long-distance relocation. Our local moving rates are affordable, ranging between $30 and $40 per hour. Our local movers are licensed, certified, and they give their best to our clients. Our drivers are familiar with busy locations and cities. They don't have to worry about their belongings or their safety. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Whiteland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.